Next is my quantity equation in case of my cylindrical polar coordinates. So directly I am writing down the equation del rho by del t plus rho ur by r plus del ur by del r plus rho del u theta by del theta 1 by r is equal to 0. So this is my equation in case of my polar coordinates. Okay. So we can reduce this equation. Suppose in case of my steady flow, this term will be 0. In case of my incompressible flow, rho is taken as constant. So this equation, this rho is cancelled out. Okay. So it depends upon the situation where we can consider our uh, normalization. For example, just in case of a steady flow, we are taking as del rho by del t is equal to 0, because in case of a steady flow, there is no change in case of my density and velocity and acceleration and the other properties with respect to the time. Okay.